Hey friends, so we are going to make Kashmiri pulao today. Take a pan and use some black pepper long, and this is Javitri, and we are going to put this ghee in water and rice, and we are going to boil it together. So before that we are adding some milk to this and add dalchini powder to this rice and let it boil until it is semi soft. Take ghee and roast kishmish and kaju, that is cashew nuts and kishmish. Fry until it is brown and keep it in side plate. And now you can fry some onions too. We have to, this will be used as garnishing as well, so we can keep it aside. So these are the ingredients are ready. We are going to take some milk and we are going to make saffron milk for our saffron rice. Just make it 1 2 spoon of milk and few strands of saffron kesar we have added to this. As you can see, our rice is ready. It is not very soft or thin. We'll take 1 big spoon of rice and we'll add in this saffron milk and we'll keep it aside. Now I'm going to take ghee. This is 2 spoon of ghee, leftover ghee from which I have fried the materials. I'm using 1 spoon of cumin seeds. I'm adding 2 big red chilies. Adding half teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to add rice. I'm going to mix it nicely. Don't mix it more because it will break into pieces, so it is advisable mix it the very slow and add some cashews, some kishmish to it and mix it well. And after mixing, transfer this to a bowl. Now add this kesar rice to this and give it a small mix, that the color shouldn't mix other rice, but the rice should be mixed in a complete group. Just a small mix. Adding some onions to this, fried onions. As you can see, it is already seems very tasty. Now decorate with few cashews, some onions, some fried onions, some coriander. As you can see, our tempting Kashmiri rice is ready, and it is very rich and yummy in taste because of its magical aroma of ingredient. Please try it. If you like this recipe, please comment and subscribe.